Now, boys and girls, it's story time again. Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen. So can you. I can sit. I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. So it's story time. Now today, the name of our story is Why Birds Sing at Dawn. Why birds sing at dawn. Ready? A long time ago in the forest of Happy Land, birds and trees would talk to each other. There was a bird family with three children, blue, pink, and yellow. They all lived on a big wise tree called Mama Mango. Mama Birdie's voice was beautiful. She would wake up early to sing her song. But the drought set in the land. Rivers dried up and leaves fell off. Mama Mango thought long and hard. Maybe we should get the magic worm that brings rain, but who can go? I will go. I'm not afraid, Mama Birdie said. Everyone missed Mama Birdie and her song. Would she ever find her way back home? Do you think the bird will find her way back home? What if we sing Mama's song? Yellow asked. Mama said if we sing her song, she'll find her way back. But I don't know how to sing, cried Pink. Have you ever tried to sing? Mama Mango asked. I've tried singing, said Yellow. I can teach you. Early the next morning, Yellow sang Mama's song. It's a beautiful morning. We wake up and shine, and the rain starts falling. Eventually, all the birds joined in Yellow in song. Mama Birdie found her way back to Happy Land, and from then on, birds sang at dawn. The end. So the birds were singing at dawn. Have you ever woke up in the morning and hear the birds singing? Isn't it a lovely sound to hear the birds outside singing? Alright, so we see on this picture all different kinds of color birds. What are some of the colors that we see? I spy a bluebird. What other color birds do you see? Well, that's the story for today. I really hope you enjoyed it. So this is what I want you to do for me. Write the title of the story, Why Do Birds Sing at Dawn? And you're going to draw your favorite color bird and you're going to pick the color bird that you like. So you're going to be drawing your bird and pick the color bird that you like. So remember, reading is fun. And always remember to read a book because when you read a book, you will learn new things. So that's it for now. Bye.